Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the XCAD Network Creator Swap. The first thing you need to do is download and install SealPay on your browser or phone. If you're using your phone, make sure to use the in-app browser. Once you have installed SealPay, make sure you have enough Seal or XCAD. If you do not have Seal, go to the faucet at dev-wallet.zilica.com/faucet. Here you can paste your wallet and run the faucet to get some testnet seal. Once you have seal, you can go to seal swap, connect your wallet, and trade your seal for XCAD. Make sure that your wallet is set for testnet. In order to check this, open SealPay and you will see on which network you're on the top left corner. You can switch networks by clicking on the menu, going to networks, and then selecting the network that you need. In SealSwap, once you've connected your wallet, you can paste the XCAD token address here, then add the token, and enter the amount of XCAD that you want to get. You will need to approve the transaction in your wallet, and you will receive the new XCAD. You will see that the network will start processing the transaction, and after a few seconds or minutes, you will have XCAD in your wallet. Once the transaction is complete, you will be able to see the balance in your wallet. You can go to the token menu. If you do not see the token listed, make sure to add it by clicking on the plus sign button and paste in the contract address. Here you can save the token and you will see the balance. Now you're ready to use the creator swap. To use the creator swap, go to swap.xcadnetwork.com. First, you will need to connect your wallet. First, you will need to select the creator that you want to trade and enter the amount of XCAD that you want to swap. You will need to approve the contract first. And once the network confirms, then you can swap your tokens. You can watch the status of the transactions on the widget below. When you're ready, enter the amount that you want to swap and click the button. It will trigger the transaction in your wallet, which you will need to approve. You can watch the transaction process by clicking on this button below. Once you have the creator tokens, you can also add them to a liquidity pool. For example, here we're going to add the tokens that I just got to the liquidity pool. This is also a good way to see the contract address. You can copy it here, go to SealPay, and add it. In this case, I already have them, so it won't allow me to add them twice. This is another one. Here you will confirm, you'll be able to see it here. And as you can see, now I have the tokens listed in my wallet. Okay, so now I can provide liquidity, looking at the amount of balance, and the system will automatically calculate the amount of the content creator token. I will use a small amount just in case. Here I can just add liquidity. You may need also to approve the contract. If so, just use your wallet to confirm. And once the transaction clears, you should have your share added to the pool. Once the transaction has been confirmed, you will also be able to see under the Remove Liquidity tab the amount of liquidity that you have provided. If you want to remove liquidity, just click the button and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the page confirms, you can check back your wallet. You will see the tokens again. If you have more questions, you can always ask an admin on our Telegram group and we will be happy to help you.